Hello everybody, welcome to Rare Element. So today we're going to be making some grilled beetroot. So let's just get into the video. You will need peeled beetroot. It does get messy, so I suggest you wear gloves. You'll also need some salt, pepper, feta. You'll also need olive oil as well as coriander and some garlic. So the first thing you need to do is drizzle some olive oil over your beetroot. Make sure it is quite a generous amount. And then you basically sprinkle all your spices. If you are a spice person, you can use more than salt and pepper. You can throw in a bit of chili, bit of paprika. You are really not limited when it comes to spices. You add your garlic as well. Add as much garlic as you need. I just did like a little bit, as little as you saw when I started the video. And you basically need to make sure that you wrap it up into a little cute parcel. Make sure that it is tight so that it can be ready to be put securely into the oven. Now I know I always preach to you guys about how great boxed beetroot is, but I thought I should juice it up this time and make something different. After all, we are learning. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells. So back to the video. Pop it in the oven for about 45 minutes. I left mine in for 45 minutes, but I was picking it, trying to see or feel rather if it's nice and soft. You will use your discretion as to how much longer it needs to be in the oven. After you take it out, it should look a little something like this, nice and cooked through. Then you slice it up to your liking. It really doesn't have to be sliced up specifically to look like this. And you find a nice plate, you plate it up like this. Then you add balsamic vinegar. If you do not have balsamic vinegar like me, you can use a salad dressing of your choice. After that, that's where our feta cheese comes in. Sprinkle a bit of that. You are definitely not limited when it comes to your cheese. When it comes to cheese, I used a bit of blue cheese as well, simply because it's my taste and I like it. You can literally use any cheese you like. You can also use some nuts. You can also put some honey to get a sweet taste. You can also add some roast butternut. It really depends on you. After this, I chopped up a bit of coriander and boom, there you have it, some grilled beetroot.